Greetings, YouTube, and I hope you are well. Today's video will be called Morning Fame December 2021 and Affiliate Marketing. I watched Nico's show from Morning Fame. He did a live stream, and I kindly followed along with him with my copy of Morning Fame. Got the same results side by side. I've also been testing the Morning Fame on the affiliate marketing, Canva, Fiverr, Redbubble. I've been looking at all of them. Found out quite a few things. A few of them shook me up a little bit. A few of them didn't. But I have found that in Morning Fame, when you go to your keyword research tool, if you go to the far right, there's 3 lines up at the top on the far right. There's 2 buttons in there. The one on the top is a Google button. The one on the bottom is a YouTube button for the way YouTube works right now. So what I did is I cut the YouTube button off and turned the Google button on and started optimizing some of these products that I saw listed on ClickBank, some of the products that I saw listed on some of the advertisements that I was seeing on YouTube. And it seemed that Morning Fame worked out really well. Worked really well with it. Went hand in hand with it. Really blew my mind. Whatever Nico did, I know he did hours and hours and did millions of keywords. I know he did. He worked his butt off. But it worked really well. Beyond that, on the Morning Fame video that I put up, I put the invite link down in the description, and someone subscribed to Morning Fame. I don't know who it was. I thank you, whoever it was. But it seems that when you give your invite link out and somebody buys a subscription, you get a month for free. It's little gifts like that I thank the Lord for. I just wanted to tell you about it. I wanted to say hello to Nico. Your tool is just amazing. I'm going to spread the word. So without any further ado, you folks take care of one another. And this is the Silver Top Flyer, signing out.